The Kenwood KAC-M3001 is a compact monoblock amplifier designed primarily for powering a single subwoofer in tight spaces like motorcycles, ATVs, and small cars. It's often praised for its size, water-resistant build, and simple setup. But despite the convenience, there are several drawbacks that make this amp a questionable choice for anyone expecting serious performance or long-term reliability. First, the power output is very limited. While it's advertised at 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms, real-world performance often falls short, especially when connected to subwoofers that require more demanding power. At 4 ohms, it only delivers around 200 watts, which is barely enough to push even entry-level subwoofers to their potential. If you're expecting hard-hitting bass, this amp likely won't deliver. Second, thermal performance can become an issue despite its compact size. The amp has a sealed chassis for moisture protection, which limits heat dissipation. In enclosed or poorly ventilated installs, especially under seats or in trunk panels, it tends to run hot. Long sessions at moderate to high volume can result in overheating and thermal shutdown, particularly in warmer climates. Third, installation flexibility is limited. The compact form factor is great for saving space, but the terminal layout is tight, and the small gauge wire support can restrict performance. Users looking to upgrade wiring or pair this amp with beefier electrical setups may find the connections too limiting or inconvenient for future expansion. Fourth, tuning options are minimal. The KAC-M3001 includes only basic controls, a low-pass filter, and gain adjustment. There's no subsonic filter, no bass boost, and no remote level control included, which restricts fine-tuning your bass response. In systems that need precise integration, these missing features become frustrating very quickly. Fifth, it's not suitable for larger or more advanced systems. This amp is best suited for compact, low-power applications, but it often ends up in vehicles where users expect more output than it's designed to provide. If you plan on upgrading your subwoofer or expanding your audio system, this amp will quickly become the weakest link and require replacement. In conclusion, the Kenwood KAC-M3001 may be useful in specific space-limited setups, but its weak output, heat management limitations, and lack of tuning flexibility make it a poor match for most serious car audio applications. Think twice before choosing it based on size alone.